Hello there! Today we're going to do an unboxing of the new FJDynamics Autosteer system. FJDynamics is a company based in Singapore. It's a robotics company dedicated to making the life of a farmer easier. First thing we're going to do while we open the box, we're going to see the main component that's in here. It's a steering wheel. As you can see, it's a rather odd-shaped steering wheel. It has a big motor on it. With this motor, we're going to be able to manipulate the direction of the tractor. Next off, we're going to look at what we would call the GNSS antenna. This antenna, we put it on the roof of the tractor, and basically what it does, it guides the tractor along the line that we have created. It shows a GPS where the tractor is located and if there is any need of correction. We have the screen. This screen has a 10-inch display. It works very well at dark, and even when it's very bright outside, you will be able to see everything that the GPS does. In this screen, you can tell the GPS the measurements of the tractor, what implement it's going to be towing, and also the line that it's going to go on. If you need to create a new line, you can also do it through this screen. Alright, as you can see, we have taken every component out of the box. These are the three main ones that we've been talking up until this point, and the rest is the harnesses and mounting points that you can use to assemble the kit and put it on your tractor. This kit is designed so that you, as a farmer, can install the kit by yourself. We have owner's manuals, installation manuals that come with the kit, and should there be any questions, we will have installation videos on our YouTube channel.